We're back again. Today is day 7 of my 30-day Amazon advertising challenge where I try to make $10,000 in 30 days. We made it to 1 week, so today is day 7. So let's see if we have any sales, and then we're going to check to see if any advertising, any movement. Okay, so we got no sales, so we're the same thing as yesterday. So we're at $37, far to go, but still hopeful. Alright, so we're gonna move over to the marketing side now. I finally got my 2 journals published. I'm not gonna create the ad now because I gotta find some keywords. Okay, so this moved up a bit, so the impressions are going up. Are they charging me? From the looks of it, no, it's the same. Yep, looks the same. Oh, it's the same. So we're gonna increase this. So what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna search up some keywords and then put some advertising for my low cost books. Okay, so the Canadian side's not moving. So let's increase the budget. So in 1 week, let's do 5 cents for each of the campaigns. I'm gonna increase everything by 5 cents today. So we can get some movement, you know? So we're gonna go to 28 cents. Trying to find that sweet spot, you know? Yeah, I was doing a lot of deep diving on keyword research for the 7 boxes for Amazon. It's a very intensive process, but you gotta do what you need to do, right? So 23 cents. Alright, so that's all done. Yeah, I'm getting nothing. Only 8 impressions. Okay, back to the stateside. Let's increase these. Yeah, if you guys are liking these videos and you're finding inspiration in it, don't forget to follow. 17. Yeah, don't forget to follow along by subscribing and hitting the like button. Okay, so that's. I also left the link for the books if you're interested in seeing what they look like. You can click the link in my description as well. So that one's done. I think we should put at 23, but it's okay. So all the ads, I think except for one, is automatic. The low content books I'm going to change. Or not change, sorry, I'm going to create an ad campaign for them. For 29 cents now. Oh, was that the right one? Who knows? Yeah, that was the right one. 1 week. I got 3 more weeks to go. How will we do? Alright. If this is your first time watching these videos, these are old sales, so don't worry about that. This is I just changed the keywords in this. Alright, so this will be 29. Alright. Almost at the 30 cents mark on these ads. Okay, so those are done. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. no sales. Impressions went up a bit, which is pretty good. Again, if you guys are finding some inspiration, motivation, don't forget to follow and like the video. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue pushing to just get to that $10,000 mark. I'm gonna do some more research on some keywords and try to create a few new books, that some ideas that I have. So I'm gonna try to get those done by the end of the week so that I can have some more inventory in my KDP account. I'm excited for this journey. Even if I don't hit the $10,000, it's just going through that process of trying to figure out how to get to $10,000. Because if you start something and you start to document it, you can go back over to see where was lacking or what failed, and then be able to improve it. Whereas if I just came into this and saying, yeah, next 30 days I'm going to make $10,000, but don't document the process or have a process in place to even see what needs to be fixed or what can be improved, then it'll be much harder to attain that goal. Plus, I wouldn't know how far or how close I've come to actually achieving my target. So that's why it's critical that you make sure that you plan and document everything that you're doing. It's something that I learned in a book called Principles by Ray Dalio. It's the principle loop. So how it works is you start with a goal. It's like it literally looks like a loop. So you start with a goal, then you fail. You learn something from it, or you learn something from it. You improve it. So it makes it better so that you can surpass the first goal, and then now you look for another goal or a higher goal on that one that you first set up. So I learned that from Ray Dalio. I highly recommend that you get that book. You can get it in the Amazon store. What else is there? I think that's it. So I'm going to at least have 2 more ads running today after I make this video. So I'm going to do 2 for my journal and see if I can help increase my impressions and start generating sales. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you do have any tips or tricks, please leave it in the comments, and I'll be able to, or I will use it and see if it can help me get to the $10,000 mark. See you tomorrow.